We'll guide you through how to navigate the Google Docs menu so you can make the most of its features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop by going to docs.google.com and either start a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is open, let's start with the menu bar at the top. The File menu is where you can create a new document, open existing ones, and save your work. You can also access options to download your document in different formats, like PDF or Word. Next, the Edit menu lets you undo and redo actions, find and replace text, and manage your clipboard options. Moving on to the View menu, it allows you to adjust how your document is displayed, whether you want to zoom in, zoom out, or switch to full screen for a distraction-free writing experience. The Insert menu is very handy for adding elements, like images, tables, charts, and links directly into your document. If you need to format your text, head over to the Format menu, where you can adjust font styles, sizes, and colors, or apply paragraph settings like line spacing and alignment. The Tools menu offers features like spelling and grammar check, word count, and voice typing if you want to dictate instead of type. Don't overlook the Extensions menu, which allows you to add third-party tools and apps to enhance your Google Docs experience. Finally, the Help menu is always there for quick access to tutorials and support if you ever get stuck. Experiment with these menus to customize your workflow and make your document look professional and polished. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.